My mama used to tell me, with tears in her eyes and a black eye, she used to say, son, you can't beat a woman and make her do what you want her to do. It doesn't work like that. If it comes to the point of the time when you feel like you got to put your hands on her to correct her, then it's time for you to pack your bags and leave. It's time for y'all to separate and figure something out. Now, if she put her hands on you, then you correct her and you let her know she needs to stay in her place. But if she don't put her hands on you, if she's not threatening your life, then you don't put your hands on her because you know you can dominate her. What is the gain in that? It only shows that you're not a thinker. It only shows that you're the one that's not smart, that you can't think under pressure. If you want to hurt someone, you want to hurt her, you leave her. You leave her when she get to acting like that where you feel like you got to put your hands on her. But you don't never put your hands on her. It don't work like